today's video is all about my everyday necklaces. Now you guys know I wear a lot of these kind of layered necklaces. I do a lot of delicate necklaces, some chunky necklaces. These are my everyday necklaces that I really love. So I have all my everyday necklaces in a box like this. You guys have seen this in my jewelry storage. I will link it here. This is actually my box with all my everyday necklaces. I'm not going to show you all. I'm going to show you the ones that I really use all the time and what I really like. I also have some other ones which are outside like these, which I will show you, which are from different like boxes. But I'm starting with the one I'm wearing. This is the newest one. This is from H&M. You guys have seen it in one of my recent videos. I just got this. So I actually have a lot of real pearl necklaces that I'm always like worried about wearing on an everyday basis because I like to wear them like formally with my saris and stuff like that. So I just saw this and I thought, oh, it's a really nice, easy, everyday, like casual necklace to have. And I love the flower details that it has as well. It's like really cute with one pearl in the middle and like gold beads around it. So this is actually one necklace, but I do a lot of layering like this where I layer necklaces. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one and I think I'm going to be wearing it a lot. Up next, we have this beauty. Now this is actually what Weber gave me for my birthday. Was it last year? I think, yeah, last year. This is from Misho. This is their Leo necklace. So you can see the sign here and it's a nice little drop pearl. What I like about this is that it has like 3 or 4 different layers. So you can wear the necklace like tighter, longer. So I usually layer this with a couple of things here and there. That's how I kind of like to wear this, where this is like the lowest layer. It's a modern pearl, you know, like these are more classic and like everyday. This is more modern, different. And what I love about this is that it's actually convertible. So it also has a earring that came with it and you can remove it and you can attach this to a earring as well, which is pretty cool. But I haven't really done that, to be honest with you. And I've actually just worn this more like a necklace. But you guys have seen me wear this a lot. And I just feel it's really pretty. And every time I wear it, I get a lot of compliments. Another favorite, this one is from Myra. This is my Sherry necklace. Now, I actually always loved like necklaces with letters growing up. I used to even have those, you know, ones where you can make your own like word and like change the letters and stuff. And yeah, I was really into that. So when I got this necklace, I really like it. And I feel like it's a bit of a statement piece that looks nice. You can layer it. You can just wear it as is. And it's like a bit of a conversation starter and it's affordable. So yeah, love this. Up next, we have this one, which is a snake effect necklace. And this is from Gia's jewelry collection. Lilu collection, I think is what it's called. And I have a lot of her stuff. I love her stuff. I feel like I've worn this so much because I love how it looks like as a choker. So I usually wear it as the first layer of my necklace layer when I do like 2 or 3. And it's very universal and it works with a lot of stuff. So yeah, I've used this a whole lot and every time I wear this again, a lot of people ask me where this is from. Now you guys know that I am Evil Eye obsessed. This one is from Azga. I have worn this again a lot. I usually layer this with 2 or 3 necklaces. It's just a really pretty different evil eye. You know, usually you see an eye. This is an eye in a heart and it's just really pretty. And again, I've gotten a lot of use of this. And I feel like a lot of cool homegrown brands are doing like affordable jewelry. They are one of them. Myra is the other. Like I've done this, cover them in my, I think, homegrown brands. Really love their stuff. Unique, different and affordable. Now this one is really interesting. This one is also Misho, but this was like, I think their collection that they did with Araku coffee, which is really interesting. I love the details on this chain. Like you can see like there's like a little bead in each one, which it's not, but it's part of the necklace. And also the main like pendant, very statementy. Again, looks really nice when you layer it. So I keep the top like simple and I like to do like 1, 2 or like this is usually the 2nd or 3rd layer because it's longer. So yeah, over the years, obviously layering has become a thing for me, whether it's my bracelet stacks, whether it's my necklaces. I don't usually do like one thing. It's usually layered. Then we have this beautiful flower, which is from Outhouse, another jewelry brand that I've worn a lot, used a lot of. Their jewelry is really pretty. This is again very unique, very different, and I feel like it's chunky but in a delicate, like feminine fun way, you know what I mean? And it just works really well. Like the pendant is really thick, as you can see. So it stands out quite a bit when you wear it. And yeah, I don't usually layer this, I just wear it as is, but yeah, it's really pretty. Then we have this guy. This is again from Myra. Really nice. It's beaded with these pearls. Again, this is one of my affordable pearl options, so I wear this a lot when I swim, when I'm in water. So you saw this a lot even in Malaysia lately. Just looks really pretty, even just as a single choker, or if you layer it, which is what I like about it. And it's all beads, so you know, obviously it's not going to get tarnished. It's not really like actual gold, but when you see it from far, it looks like a gold chain with pearls. So yeah, love this. Another beaded option from Azga is this one, which is their Leo necklace. Again, I really like a lion or a Leo or an evil eye, like part of my jewelry. I do wear that quite a bit. So yeah, I really like this because I felt like it was really different with the colorful beads. I don't really have anything like that. I have a lot of pearls and a lot of gold, but this was different, and I like to wear this. Again, as I said, like you can wear it in water and it hasn't really tarnished. I remember wearing this on a trip as well. So yeah, this has lasted me a lot. This is also from Gia's collection. It's just little tiny hearts, and the good thing is you can actually wear it as a choker. So you can see the hearts just dangling and hanging, and it looks really cute. If you want like a very elegant, cutesy vibe, this is what I go for. So this is usually when I'm doing like my Korean looks, or you know, like a very like delicate, not elegant, but more delicate and feminine. I like this because it's just got a cutesy vibe, and you can either layer it or just wear it. It's just really cute as is. Then we have this one, which is a heart, but an actual heart, which I really like. So this is Sakshi's collab, which was I think last year or a few months ago, and I really like it because it's unique and it's not like a cutesy heart, but like a proper heart, and it looks actually really cool when you wear it. So there are also like a few more here, which I'm gonna skip because I don't usually wear them often. As I said, I don't want to just show you guys the stuff that I have because I have a lot of stuff. These are what I usually wear from the box, and I also have 3 more that I want to show you. This is my favorite S. Now this is a little longer than all the others, so I usually wear it, as I said, layered. Or if I wear like a higher top and I have this over the top, it looks really nice as well. It's a mirror work S by my favorite Ritika Sachdeva. I have worn this a lot. As you can see, a lot of my jewelry is kind of tarnished or has lost that, you know, that gold sparkly vibe because I wear it a lot. I live in Bombay. We sweat a lot. Everything kind of looks tarnished or vintage after a point, and I like that. I like things to not be so shiny. So yeah, this is one of my favorites. Had this for a few years now, and I've worn it quite a bit. Now coming to chokers, okay, so I am obviously someone that grew up in the 90s and to early 2000s where chokers were a big deal, which is why even I think in my layering game, I always start with a choker and then go like, I rarely wear like 2 layers here. It's a choker and then 1 layer, or a choker and then 3 layers. And this one, I remember, I think it's from Forever 21. I've had it for many years. We used to do these wired black wire chokers when I was a teenager, and this reminded me of that when I bought it. But I just love how it's gold and wired, so I can layer it with stuff or just wear it as is, and I think I've worn a lot of it. Lately, I pulled it out again after pandemic and I've been wearing it a lot. But yeah, this is one of those that I've had for years and I've got a lot of wear out of. And last but not the least, we have this beauty. Now this one is from Malaysia. You guys saw it in my Malaysia haul. This is what the Bidayu tribe makes, and when we visited them, this is like their actual traditional jewelry, which we got to choose like one piece each, and I chose this one because I really liked it and thought it looks really beautiful. So yeah, this is definitely something I've been wearing a lot since I got back. So guys, these were my everyday current like favorite necklaces. Yeah, I have a lot more, but I'm not wearing all of them honestly, and I also give away a lot of them when I'm not really using them. These are my favorite ones. Some of these I've been wearing for years. Some of these are newer, but I am currently loving them and wearing them a lot, like this necklace, which I have, I think, worn 4 times in this week already. Comment below and tell me what your favorite necklace was from today's video. And also comment below and tell me what I should do next. Should I do like everyday earrings or should I do like my statement earrings? What do you want to see? See you guys. Bye.